Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mystic Roads. In this video, let me take you to a walking tour around the streets of Higashiyama district near Kiyomizu-dera and Higashiyama Shrine. Walking video tour takes you through Kyoto's best historic districts, the Higashiyama district and the Gion district, and includes a visit to Kiyomizu-dera temple. The Higashiyama district, along the lower slopes of Kyoto's eastern mountains, is one of the city's best preserved historic districts. It is a great place to experience traditional old Kyoto, especially between Kiyomizu-dera and Higashiyama Shrine, where the narrow lanes, wooden buildings, and traditional merchant shops invoke a feeling of the old capital city. Recent renovations to remove old telephone lines and poles and repave the street have further improved the traditional feel of the district. The streets in Higashiyama are lined by small shops, caves, and restaurants which have been catering to the tourists and pilgrims for centuries. These businesses retain their traditional design, although many have been renovated through the years, and they continue to serve customers today, selling local specialties like Kiyomizu pottery, sweets, pickles, crafts, and other souvenirs. Located at the foot of the mountains and slightly to the north of Kiyomizu-dera are Ninzangaka and Sanenzaka. These historic streets are some of the best preserved in Kyoto. The stone-paved streets are lined up with lovely wooden stores selling everything from delicious Kyoto specialities to fine souvenir goods. There are also numerous caves and restaurants should you feel like taking a break with a bite to eat or something to drink. Sanenzaka, the next part of this walk, connects directly Kiyomizu Hill. Coming down from Kiyomizu with the temple entrance and pagoda, at your back you will see a wide cement staircase on the right. Both the top and bottom of the staircases make excellent photo spots. One of the stores next to the stairs display traditional parasol during the day, and visitors often in kimono make it a point to stroll through this area and pose for pictures. The shops and restaurants in the area typically open around 9 or 10 in the morning and close relatively early around 5 or 6 in the evening, except during the 10-day long Hanatoro in March, when the streets of Higashiyama are lined up by thousands of lanterns and many of the area's temples, shrines, and businesses have extended hours and special illuminations. While the walk through the Higashiyama district between Kiyomizu-dera and Higashiyama Shrine is only about 2 kilometers long and could be done in half an hour, you could easily spend half a day or more in the area, visiting the various temples, shrines, shops, and caves all along the way. Good walkers are likely to enjoy walking beyond the Higashiyama Shrine, past Chinonin and Shorenin temples to Heian Shrine, and possibly even further via Nanzenji and the Philosopher's Path to Jinkakuji Temple. The hillside walk lets you to taste, touch, and see the historical Kyoto of the stone-paved streets, traditional architecture, and tiled roofs you traveled so far to find. The narrow streets by famous Kiyomizu temple intersect to create one leisurely and easily to navigate and stroll. watching my video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's stay connected, explore, dream and discover. Please like and share my videos. Thank you once again.